Under pre-market darkness, each tick is coded intel. Gear up, agent. Infiltrate the S&P 500 profile and exfiltrate profits. Let's jump right into it. Key buy and sell levels or ranges. Value. Area high, VAH, 6,898. The rain-slicked rooftop where the trail goes cold. If the price breaks out, the perp is on the run into the night. Value area low, VAL, 6,847. The damp basement of this investigation. A breach. Here means we are sinking into the city's dark underbelly. Point of control, POC, 6,867. The smoke-filled interrogation room where most of the truth was told during today's session. Support zone, 6,847 to 6,851. The heavy iron bars of the precinct. Strong bids are holding the line and refusing to talk. Resistance zone, 6,898 to 6,904. A locked door in a dark alley. Hard to break through without a heavy warrant and enough buying strength. Single prince escape paths. Lower, 6,847. A lone footprint in the mud. Watch for a quick getaway or a sudden reversal if the heat dies down. Upper, 6,890 to 6,896. A narrow fire escape. If price climbs these stairs, it will move fast to the next floor. Market context. The city is quiet, maybe too quiet. Price has been loitering between 6,847 and 6,914, but the mood in the streets is sour. The heavy selling in the CVD suggests a mob hit is in progress, with sellers dumping evidence faster than we can collect it. It is a balancing act in a dark room, sideways movement with a heavy lean towards a guilty verdict. 3-day investigation. Day 3, January 18th, POC 6926, high 6935, low 6911. The suspect was living large in the penthouse with no worries. Day 2, January 19th, POC 6916, high 6934, low 6888. The first cracks in the story appeared as the value started to slide. Day 1, January 20th, POC 6867, high 6914, low 6847. The heist went wrong and the market collapsed into the street. Value has been retreating like a guilty man since January 18th. Today we are testing the limits of the law at the 6847 basement. Acceptance above VAH would suggest the heat is off. Failure back through VAL invites a long trip to the state penitentiary. Volume analysis, cumulative, volume delta, CVD, breakdown. Session open. CVD negative 13,652 contracts. The day started with a bribe and a lie as the bears took control. Intraday peak. Buying, CVD climbed to negative 10,552. A small group of informants tried to change the narrative but failed. Current CVD, negative 40,000. 146 net, negative 26,494 from open, meaning the evidence is stacking up against the bulls. Intraday low, CVD, low, negative 47,687, the moment the witness finally broke under the pressure and told everything. Interpretation. Heavy sell-side pressure is the primary witness in this case. Any rally will need a massive payday to get past the VAH blockade. Risk management considerations. Long trades. Entry zone, near the VAL basement, 6,847 to 6,851. Stop loss, below the single print floor at approximately 6,843, 4 ticks beneath VAL, or use Sabano average true range, ATR, approximately 6 points below entry. Profit target, Initial target at the POC interrogation room, 6867. Major target at the VAH rooftop, 6898. Short trades. Entry zone on rejection of the VAH rooftop, 6898 to 6904. Or breakdown through VAL. Stop loss. Above the VAH single print ceiling at approximately 6,906 or ATR above entry. Profit target. POC for first partial, then the VAL basement. Position sizing. Use a maximum 1 to 2% account risk per idea, equalized by stop distance. Trail stops to the last defended level after first target. Potential scenarios and trade setups. Scenario A, acceptance above VAH. The suspect escapes to the rooftops at 6,898 and disappears. Setup, enter long above 6,898 with stop at 6,867, POC. Target 6,914, plus on momentum continuation. Scenario B, rejection at VAH. The precinct door at 6,898 slams shut on the bulls, and they are kicked back to the street. Setup. Short on first failure off VAH. Stop above 6,906. Target POC, then VAL. Scenario C. Failure at VAL. The floor gives way at the 6,847 basement, and the suspect falls into the abyss. Setup. Short a break below 6,847. Stop above 6,853. Recent swing high. Target 6,835 single print area. Scenario D, value bounce. The informant finds a new lead at the VAL and leads us back to the truth. Setup, long at 6,847. Stop at 6,843. Target POC, then VAH. Smash the like and subscribe button. Click the bell to receive content notifications. Remember, the future belongs to the focused. Stay disciplined, stay curious, and as always, trade smart, trade strong, and never stop leveling up. I'll see you in the markets.